Sheen has entered rehab, but his treatment is not inpatient. Sheen's manager, Burg, tells People magazine the 45-year-old actor will rely on professionals who will help him in private. Sheen began treatment shortly after being rushed to a hospital last Thursday, complaining of severe abdominal pains. Halle Berry's reportedly going to court over custody of her young daughter with Gabriel Aubry. Us Weekly quotes Berry's rep as saying that the actress has dropped out of a film due to pending custody litigation involving 2-year-old Nahla. Christina Applegate and her fiance, musician Martyn LeNoble, are the new parents of a baby girl. People magazine reports that Applegate gave birth to daughter Sadie Grace LeNoble on Thursday, January 27th. ACM Awards nominations were announced today. Miranda Lambert leads the pack with nominations for ACM Entertainer of the Year, Top Female Vocalist, and Song and Single of the Year. Other multiple ACM Awards nominees include the Zac Brown Band and Kenny Chesney. This has been Celebs in 60 Seconds.